Prashant Bhushan, in a detailed statement in the Supreme Court, has refused to apologize for his tweets. He said that his tweets are the beliefs that he subscribes to, and any apology in that connection would be insincere and contempt of his conscience. So remember, Prashant Bhushan was given 2 days' time by the top court to reconsider his views expressed in those tweets that amounted to contempt of court, owing to which there was a conviction of based on the contempt case. Now, Prashant Bhushan, in a detailed statement, has said that he would not apologize. He has refused to apologize for his tweets. He said that his tweets are his beliefs, and any apology in that connection would be insincere and contempt of his conscience. So that's important, because this is a time period that was given to Mr. Prashant Bhushan to reconsider his views expressed on those tweets, for which he was convicted for contempt. Now, during the hearing for the quantum of punishment, Mr. Bhushan was given a period of 2 days, which expired today. Let's go across to Meenakshi to understand what Mr. Bhushan has now said. Yes, Meenakshi, tell us what has been Mr. Prashant Bhushan's response, because we were at the juncture where his quantum of punishment were to be decided after his conviction for contempt.
Well, Frida, along expected lines, Prashant Bhushan has again refused to apologize. He has already stated this position in the court when the matter was being argued. Even when the Supreme Court said it wished to give him some more time to consider, or rather reconsider his position, Mr. Bhushan said that giving time would not serve any purpose because he will not have a rethink. And subsequent to that, we have seen Mr. Bhushan put out some tweets again in the public domain. But this is a supplementary statement by Mr. Prashant Bhushan, because 24th August was the time that was accorded to him by the Supreme Court to file any additional reply and possibly have a rethink on his earlier stated position, to which he has again gone ahead and reiterated before the Supreme Court that his tweets represented this bona fide belief that he continues to hold. Public expression of these beliefs was, I believe, in line with my higher obligation as a citizen and a loyal officer of this court. Therefore, an apology for expression of these beliefs, conditional or unconditional, would be insincere. Yes. This is the 2-page supplementary response that Mr. Bhushan has just submitted in the Supreme Court ahead of 25th August, the D-Day, which had been posted by the Supreme Court to really take a call pertaining to the quantum. And along expected lines, as he has argued earlier in the Supreme Court, he is again going ahead and refusing to tender any kind of apology, conditional or unconditional, saying that it would be a dereliction of duty on his part.
Right. The Supreme Court had observed that his comments lowers the stature of judiciary and therefore held him for contempt. Mr. Bhushan says those are his genuine beliefs, and therefore he would not do a contempt of his conscience by tendering an apology. Thanks for joining us, Meenakshi, with your inputs on the big story.